Hello students, welcome you to this video. In this video, we are going to see algebra. Algebra is one of the very interesting topic. It will make you so active, right? Algebra and arithmetic, both are closely related. In arithmetic, we use the four operations, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with numbers. But here, algebra, we use the same operations with some numbers, some variables, right? See, in arithmetic, suppose if something is there you want to find, plus 3 equal to 7, you can find out, right? So 4 plus 3 equal to 7. If something is missing, so we find it. So that is algebra. So finding the unknowns, or we call it a solve. It is just a game, or you can take it as a puzzle. Then you can enjoy mathematics, okay? So algebra is like that only. The goal of this chapter is, or this topic is, finding the unknown, okay? Finding the unknown, that's all, okay? Now here what we do, the unknown we take it as what? X. Some variable you can give, A to Z, you give any letter, okay? We take that unknown as X. Then to find x is equal to 7, take this plus 3 to the other side, it becomes minus 3. Actually, we are subtracting 3 on both sides, okay? So you are getting x is equal to 4. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Suppose you have a complicated question like this. So how can you solve it? So denominator we have a 4. So to avoid that, you multiply both sides by 4. Simply we say we cross multiply, right? Yes. 4 2s are 8. So 8x is equal to 40 minus 2x. Bring that unknowns together. So 8x, bring that minus 2x here. You are getting plus 2x equal to 40. So you are getting like terms, so you can add it. 8x plus 2x, it is 10x equal to 40, or x is equal to 40 by 10. You are getting x is equal to 4, right? So like that you can find the unknown. Suppose you have a question like this. It is say 3 by 4 into x minus 2 minus 4 equal to 8. Now let us see how to solve this. First you take this constant minus 4 to the right side. So what you get? 3 by 4 into x minus 2 equal to 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, it is 12. Now this 4, you take that side, or you multiply both sides by 4, right? So you are getting 3 into x minus 2 equal to 12 into 4, right? 48. Then if you want, you can take that 3 also to that side. So x minus 2 is equal to 48 by 3 can be simplified, 16 you will get. So x minus 2 equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 plus 2, you are getting x is equal to what? 18. Okay, you can solve it in different ways. Now, linear equations in two variables. Degree is one only, but in two variables. Here we have x and y. So solve means you find the unknown. Here there are two unknowns, x and y. So you are supposed to find both x value and y value. So here there are different methods: elimination method, substitution method, method of cross multiplication. For all these we give separate videos, but here how to solve easily by elimination, you can do that. So for that you make the coefficients same if they are not same. Here x coefficients are 1, yes. Y coefficients also same. At least for one variable the coefficients must be same, right? Here x coefficient 1, 1, y coefficients 1 and minus 1, right? So I can eliminate y very easily. I'm taking this as equation 1 and equation 2. If I add equations 1 and 2, x plus x, it is 2x, plus y minus y get cancelled, 10 plus 6, it is 16, right? So you can find x value now, 16 by 2, you are getting x is equal to 8. Now to find y value, use substitution. So use this x equal to 8, substitute it in either first equation or second equation. Both gives the same answer only. I am substituting in the first equation, x plus y, instead of x you write 8, plus y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 minus 8. So you are getting y equal to 2. So the solution is x equal to 8 and y equal to 2. Okay, so like this you can solve it. Linear equations. We have quadratic equations. Quadratic equation means the degree 2. If the degree is 2, we call it as quadratic equations or quadratic polynomial. Many terms are there, right? So the general form is like this: ax squared plus bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial, and here a not equal to 0. Suppose a is 0 means the first term becomes 0, then the degree will be 1 only, right? X raised to 1. It become a linear, right? So this is a quadratic polynomial, and every equation has a graph. Suppose it is a linear equation, the graph will be a line. If it is a quadratic equation, you will be getting a curve. So using this graph, so you can construct the telescope lenses. Also it is used in predict the growth of the population. Also it is used to describe how a ball flies through the air. For all these things, this algebra, the equations and the graph, all these are useful. Okay. Now let us see some of the algebraic identities. So a lot of identities there. We are going to see few identities now. The first one and the foremost one, a plus b the whole square. Right from lower classes we study, right? A plus b the whole square. Even in the higher classes, some students write just a square plus b square. No. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? A minus b the whole square. Just one change. Alternative term you put plus minus plus like that. The 2ab term become minus, right? So a square minus 2ab plus b square. See a small example. Suppose it is 2x minus 3y the whole square. This is of the type a minus b the whole square, right? So this is our a and this is our b. In between minus is there. So a is 2x and b is 3y. Don't take minus 3y. We take 3y because we are going to use the formula a minus b the whole square. So the formula says a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you write like this, you won't make mistake. First one is a square, so it is 2x, minus 2ab, that is 2x, 3y. Last one b square, that is 3y square. Now when you square, 2x square means you have to square both the terms, both 2 and x. Some students, they square only one part, okay, to be very careful. These are some of the common mistakes. So 2 square is 4, then x square. Then the second term, all these together one term only, right? So here when you multiply the numbers, so you are getting 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, right? So 12xy, the last term, square again both the terms, right? 3 square 9y square. So algebra, you need a lot of practice, okay? I said it makes you so active, algebra, right? Because even a small mistake, totally it'll be wrong. 1 plus if you put minus, that's all, right? So that is the reason you need a lot of practice. Don't think, yes, I know, I can do it. No, it is not going to help you, okay? Write again and again. You will get the confidence in that topic, okay? Once you know algebra thoroughly, then any topic you can study, okay? Now, let's see another identity. A plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square, right? Let's see one small example. 3x minus 4y into 3x plus 4y. So here the first term is 3x, second term is 4y. In between here minus, here we have plus. So this is of the type a minus b into a plus b. The formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Instead of a, what you have, the first term you write, it is 3x, right? Instead of a, it is 3x. And instead of b, 4y. Now we square, again square both the terms, right? 3 square 9 x square minus second one is square 16 y square. Okay, so like that you can do. See the next one. Earlier we have seen a plus b the whole square. Even if it is cube, a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And a minus b the whole cube, same formula, alternate term you put minus, right? First term positive, negative, like that, okay? So this is important one. Then you see this one, a plus b plus c the whole square. It is extension of that a plus b the whole square, right? A plus b plus c the whole square. See, it's very easy to remember. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, right? Taking 2 at a time. A plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. With this one formula, you can learn even if they give some minus. No need to take different formula. Just to learn this one formula. Suppose the question is, say 2a minus 3b plus 4c, the whole square. Let us see how to do this. What is our a here? 2a. What is our b? Minus 3b. Here minus also we take because we are going to use this formula. We are not going to use the formula a minus b plus c the whole square. We are going to use just one formula, a plus b plus c the whole square. So the first term is a, second term is b, third term is c. With sign you take. That's important. Okay. So a value 2a, b value minus 3b, and c value 4c. A plus b plus c the whole square. See the formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If you learn like this, you never make mistake. Now please listen here. We fill this. A value 2a, b value minus 3b, c value 4c. Now 2ab, first and second, 2a and minus 3b. Next one is bc, second and third, minus 3b plus 4c. Last one is AC, that is 2A, 4C. AC or CA, any order you can write. Now just to simplify, you remember when you square, everything positive, right? Even minus, when you square, it becomes positive. So the first one is 2A, the whole square. You are getting 4A square. Second one, minus is there, but when you square, it becomes plus, right? 3 square, 9B square. Third one is 16c square. Please see the next one. See the sign. Everywhere plus, but you can see a minus. One minus is there, so totally it is minus. Numbers you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12ab. Next one here, everything plus, one minus is there, so minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24bc, right? 24bc. And the last term, everything plus only, so it is plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16ac. Okay, so you can do like this. Now see another one, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Can you see the something uniqueness here? First terms are all same. X plus a, x, x, x. Second term, plus a, plus b, plus c. Here also just we are going to learn one formula. A, B, C identify with sign, then you substitute. Formula you can remember very easily. First term, x cube. Then second term, x square. Third term, x. Last term, there is no x. The coefficient, first term, 1. Just x cube only. Second term, the a, b, c, take one at a time. So a plus b plus c, x square. Next term, take two at a time. ab plus bc plus ca into x. And the last one, all the three at a time. First time, don't take any letter, only x cube, right? Second time, one at a time, a plus b plus c. Second time, two at a time, ab plus bc plus ca. And the last one, all the three together, abc. X power gradually decreases. First x cube, then x square, x, then no x term, right? So like that you can remember, so you can do the sums very easily. Look at this one. This is another important identity. All these identities are useful when you go for factorization, okay? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. No 2ab here, only ab, right? So a cube plus b cube. If plus is here, start with plus. If plus comes outside, inside you write minus. If minus is there, start with minus. If minus is outside, inside you write everything what plus. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And these are another two identities. You use it in rarely some cases. A square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. A minus b the whole square is a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Okay, so remember, and this is the another identity, little lengthy one. Even in 12th standard we use this identity. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to, you can factorize it, a plus b plus c into, then everything degree 2. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, right? So see the left side looks very simple. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The right side, two factors. The first factor is very simple, a plus b plus c. The second factor, little lengthy one, 6 terms. First 3 terms square, positive. Next 3 terms, negative, ab terms. So in the bracket, what do you have? Second factor, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here also no 2ab, right? Only ab. And here one particular case I want to give. Suppose a plus b plus c 0. Suppose a plus b plus c 0. This part is 0. So 0 into anything, totally it is 0, right? Totally this part is 0. You are getting this is equal to 0. Take this minus 3ab minus 3abc to the right side, it will become plus 3abc because right side is already 0. Why? Because we are applying a condition if a plus b plus c is 0. If a plus b plus c equals 0, the right side fully 0, take this negative term to the right side, you will get a beautiful result. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. That is not true always, only if this condition is satisfied. What's the condition? A plus b plus c equal to 0. Then you can do that. Okay. Now all these identities are very much useful for factorization. So next let us see how to factorize. When you factorize, but before that, how to take the common value outside. Especially when some plus, minus and all there, how to take it out. You have to be very careful. Look at this small example. 18x square plus 9. 18x square minus 9. Minus 18x square minus 9 minus 18x square plus 9. So all the possible 4 cases I have taken. Because sometimes the basics, if you make mistake, totally will be wrong. You'll be doing an essay type question. It will come as one step. Normally students make in one area. I'll tell you where. I want to make, okay, you take, I want to make the first term positive. And what is common I want to take. So I'm taking 9x outside. Okay, sorry, 9x is not common. I'm taking 9 outside. So what do you get in the first one? If we take 9 outside, first one is everything plus only, right? There won't be any problem. If I take 9 outside, you will get 2x square plus 1, right? If you have a doubt, just to multiply and see. 9 2s are 18, 18x square plus 9 1s are 9, yes. Second one, I want to make the first term positive. Already it is positive only. So take 9 outside. Okay. So what do you get? If I take 9 outside, 2x square minus 1, right? The next one, I want to take minus 9 outside because first term is negative. I'm taking minus outside. 9 also I'm taking. Minus 9. Please listen very carefully. Minus is common in both. I'm taking minus outside. Now both the terms will become plus, right? 9 also we are taking. So what's the remaining? You get 2x square plus 1 because minus we have taken out. Minus is common in both. So if you have a doubt, please multiply and see. Minus 9 into 2 minus 18x square plus into minus is minus 9 into 1 9. Yes. Now the last one, take minus 9 outside. What's your answer? Quickly. Yes. Here only normally students make mistake. Even the bright students, they make mistakes sometimes. Okay. So if I take minus 9, 9 is common, minus is not common. So, but still we take minus outside. So you have to change the sign. The minus become plus and the plus become minus. So your answer is, you are taking minus outside. So first term is 2x square. Second term minus is not there. We are taken a minus outside. So you have to write minus. Then only this minus into minus is what? Plus 1. Now please listen. Just few seconds you take, multiply and check it. Minus by this minus 9, you multiply both the terms, multiply these two, minus 18x square, yes. Next, if you multiply minus into minus, it is plus. Now only you are getting this plus here, right? If I write here plus, then minus into plus is what? Minus, something wrong, right? So you have to be very careful in this type questions. And you can very well, you can check it, right? Just you can multiply and see. Suppose if I give a question, see minus 14x square plus 14. I'm taking minus 14 outside. Tell me what you get. If I take minus 14 outside, what do you get? X square. Minus we are taken out, so the minus become plus and the plus has to become minus 1, right? Just to check it, minus 14 into x square, minus 14x square, minus into minus, plus. Yes, it is correct. Few seconds you spend extra so that you can avoid the huge mistakes. Okay, so now let us see quadratic, the trinomials, how to factorize. That is something very, very important. Okay, trinomials you have to practice well. It's one of the very important area. Same way, the a square minus b square, that type of sums it is very important. Okay, suppose I'm giving x square minus 16. You know how to factorize it. How can you factorize it? This is x square minus 16 is 4 square, right? Now this is a square minus b square, a plus b, x plus 4 into x minus 4. Suppose x cube minus 8. How can you factorize this one? A cube minus b cube, because 8 can be written as what? 2 cube, right? So this is x cube minus 2 cube. This is of the type a cube minus b cube. Just now we studied what is a cube minus b cube. If minus is there, outside it is minus, right? A minus b. So x minus 2. A minus b into a square. If minus is outside, inside plus. Plus ab plus b square. So what do you write here? You are getting a square, that is x square, plus ab, that is x into 2. X into 2, it is 2x, plus b square means it is what? 2 square, you are getting 4. Right? Now let us see one more question. Suppose the question is x raised to 4 minus 16. How can you factorize it? In between minus is there. 16 can be written as 4 square. X raised to 4 can be written as x square the whole square, right? X square the whole square. So x square the whole square minus 4 square. A square minus b square. The whole thing, this is our a. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Again you can factorize it. First part you can leave it. Second part, again minus is there. X square minus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. So once again you can use the identity x square plus 4. This is x square minus 2 square. So again it is of the type a square minus b square. So you can write it as x square plus 4. This can be factorized as a plus b and a minus b. So x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now we are going to see how to factorize trinomial. Look at this trinomial, x square plus 6x plus 9. See, first you check whether can you use the identity directly, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Further, the easy method is, see the last term, you check, is it a perfect square? If it is a perfect square, you can check that one. Okay, if it is not a perfect square, no, you go for some other method. If it is a perfect square, most of the cases it may be a whole square, either a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Here 9 is a perfect square, 3 square. Here the sign is plus, so it may be of the type a plus b the whole square. So you check it. So here the square root x, here the square root is what? 3, in between plus is there. Only thing 2ab term you have to check it. 2 into a, x into b is 3. So if you simplify 2 3s are 6, 6x, yes exactly you have. So this is x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, so like that you can write very easily. Look at this one, 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. This is a perfect square, 2x the whole square. This is a perfect square, 3y the whole square. In between the sign is minus, so same method you try. Okay, so square root of this it is 2x, square root of this it is 3y. In between the sign is minus, so minus the whole square. We check it, only the 2ab term you have to check it. 2ab means 2 into a is 2x, b is 3y. You multiply, check whether you are getting this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, x, y, exactly the same thing. So this is 2x minus 3y the whole square. Okay. Now see another one. Here the last term you see 6, it is not a perfect square. So we go for some product method. 6 is not a perfect square. So here the method is, it is like a puzzle, right? Sum must be 5. Sum is equal to 5 and the product is a into c. First into last. Here a value 1, b value 5, c value is 6, right? First into last. 1 into 6, 6. So product is 6, such a way you have to find two numbers. The 5 you split. It's all the possible cases you should see. You need a lot of practice. There is no formula for all these things, right? So keep on practicing. It will come very easily. You can do that. Okay. Sum is 5. Product is 6. The numbers are 2 and 3. Check it. If you add these two, 2 plus 3, 5. Multiply them, 2 into 3, 6. Now you split the middle term. So x square plus 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x plus the last number is 6. Now grouping. First two you group. Take what is common. X is common, so you'll get x plus 2 plus the last two. You can see 3 is common, again x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is common in both. So take that x plus 2 outside. What you get here, what is left out? X. Here what is left out? Plus 3. If nothing is there means you write 1 there. Okay. So like this you can factorize. And one more thing I want to tell you. If a value 1. If a value 1, that is the coefficient of x square is 1. Once you get the two numbers, without writing all these, you can write the answer straight away also. The numbers are 2 and 3. You can write here the variable is x. So you can say x plus 2 into x plus 3. Suppose the numbers you are getting 2 and minus 7. You say x plus 2 into x minus 7. Only when a value is 1. That is x square coefficient is 1. You can do directly also. Otherwise, you split the middle term, group it, and you have to do. Okay. Now look at this sum. Trinomial is not a perfect square. X coefficient. So sum is 1. Right. Product is AC, 1 into minus 6, minus 6. Can you find two numbers here? Sum is 1, product is minus 6, 3 and minus 2. Is it correct? If you add it, 3 minus 2, 1. Product if you multiply, plus into minus, minus 3, 2s are 6. Yes, here a value 1, x square coefficient is 1. As I said earlier, you can straight away write the answer. How? X plus 3, x plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, you can factorize like this directly. Now look, another question. Not a direct one, right? Here sum is minus 13. Product is 12 into minus 4, minus 48. So little bigger number, right? If you add two numbers, you have to get 13. So many ways there. Product is 48. Only few cases. That you have to see. Product minus 48 you have to get. So 12 and 4, right? But you won't get 13. 16 and 3. 16 3s are 48. 16 and 3 48. But the total we need minus 13. So minus 13, right? If you group like this, minus 16 and 3. If you add it, you will get minus 13. If you multiply, minus into plus, it is minus 16 3s are 48. You can't write directly because a value is not 1. So split the middle term, 12x square. Minus 13x, you write minus 16x plus 3x. Order can be changed. Minus 16x plus 3x, or first you write plus 3x minus 16x. Any method you will get the same answer. Group first and second, you can see 4x, right? 4x is common. You will get 3x minus 4. Last two, nothing is common. You write 3x minus 4. Now this is a hint. The two bracket terms must be the same thing. Okay, take it outside. 3x minus 4. What you get remaining? Here you are getting a 4x. Here plus nothing is there. That means it is 1, right? So plus 1. So hope you understood this factorization. Okay, now the last, just I want to help you how to divide polynomials. Okay, so here you need some of the exponent properties. A raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. Division a raised to m by a raised to n. The exponents, the powers you subtract a raised to m minus n, right? When you divide, suppose the denominator is a single term. Suppose a plus b by c, denominator is a single term. You can split into two directly. How? A by c plus b by c. You can split like this. So here you see denominator 3x is a single term. If it is 3 plus x, two terms, right? But 3x is a single term only. So you can split it into 3. How? First term x square by 3x minus 7x by 3x plus 6 by 3x. Then whatever you can cancel, first one, 1x you can cancel. 2, here 1, power is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So x by 3 minus 7 by 3, x get cancelled. Last one, 3 table you cancel, you are getting 2. 3 table if you cancel, you get 2 by x. So like that you can do in the denominator. If there is only one term, you can split like this and you can do that. More than one term if you have, try to factorize it. If you can factorize, you cancel and write. If you are not able to factorize, there is no other way, the long division. Okay, so you must be thorough with the long division. Okay, now let us see how to use long division. See this one, 6x square plus 7x minus 20 divided by 2x plus 5. This particular question you may be factoring, you can even factorize it, but I want to teach you long division, so I'm going to use that method. First you see that terms and all, whether any term is missing or is it in the correct order, higher to lower, right? Descending order. X square, then x, then constant. Yes, everything is there. 6x square plus 7x minus 20. We divide it by 2x plus 5. Now please listen. First term by first term. By that what we mean, this first term divided by this first term. You can write and see 6x square divided by 2x. See, here if you cancel 3x you are getting, right? So the quotient, the first term you write 3x. Now by this 3x you multiply both. 3x into 2x, 3x into 5. 3x into 2x is 6x square. 3x into 5, it is plus 15x. So now you subtract. For that you change the sign. 6x square cancels. 7x minus 15x is minus 8x minus 20. Again this first term by first term. By that what we mean? This first term by this first term. So here minus 8x divided by 2x. X cancel, 2 table cancel, minus 4 you are getting. Now by that minus 4 you have to multiply both these terms. So minus 4 into 2x minus 8x minus 4 into 5 minus 20. Subtract it. For that you change the sign. The minus become plus. The minus become plus. So you are getting 0. You are getting the answer. The quotient is equal to 3x minus 4. Here the remainder is equal to 0. So the 2x plus 5 is a factor, right? Hope you understood. Now let us see another question. If some terms missing, you have to write what? 0 for that. Okay, now please look at this question. X cube minus 7x plus 6 divided by x minus 3. X cube is there, but x square is not there, right? So what we write here, x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 6. We divide it by x minus 3. Now listen, first term by first term, x cube by x cube by x. You will get x square, right? So x square. By that x square you multiply both the terms. X square into x, it is x cube. X square into minus 3. Minus 3x square. You write just below that x square term. Minus 3x square. Now we have to subtract it. So you change the sign. X cube get cancelled. 0x square plus 3x square, you are getting 3x square, right? Then minus 7x plus 6. Again this first term by first term. That is 3x square divided by x. 1x get cancelled, you are getting 3x. So right here plus 3x you write. Now by that 3x you multiply both x minus 3. 3x into x, it is 3x square. Plus into minus is minus, 3 3s are 9x, right? So again subtract it. So change the sign, minus, the minus become plus. So here both the term get cancelled, 3x square cancel, minus 7x plus 9x, you are getting 2x, right? Plus 6. Again first term by first term, that is 2x by x. 2x by x, x cancel, you are getting 2. So right here 2. By that 2 you multiply both the terms. So 2x minus 6, right? Your 2x minus 6 you are getting. So when you subtract it, don't put simply 0, you'd be very careful. And here minus and this become plus. So 2x minus 2x cancel, 6 plus 6 is 12. So the remainder is not 0 here, right? Quotient is x square plus 3x plus 2 and the remainder is equal to 12. So long division is something very important. Practice well. Even if the power is 6, you can do that, okay? So hope you understood all these things, but you need a lot of practice. We'll continue in the next video with some other basic concepts.